it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 oh. I got the magic in me.
Trick that I let tempo blow your mind. Pick a verse, any verse, I hypnotize you with every line. I'll need a volunteer, how about you with the eyes? Come on down to the front, stay right here and don't be shy. I have you time traveling, have your mind babbling. People trying to inherit the skills, so they asking me. Even David Blaine had to go and take some classes in. I see mind freak like, what's up man, what's happening? So come on, come on, and see the show tonight. Prepare to be astounded, no ghost or poltergeist. You know I'm no Pinocchio, I never told a lie. So call me Mr. Magic Man, I float on cloud nine.
I got the magic in me.
I got the magic, baby.
Hi Ken, happy birthday. I hope this will be a surprise for you, because it's just proof that distance is not a problem for those who cares. Anyway, all I wish for you is happy long life, more blessings. You just started in your career, and I know you have a long way to go, but you have to stay cool, keep your calm, and be positive. We're always here for you. You have our prayers, and we will support you all the way. Ikaw na, you're the best, you're the man, and please do take care, because we care. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ken. Gusto ka ba? Happy belated birthday. Ano na ginawa mo ng birthday mo? O ano, okay ka ba dyan ngayon? O alam mo dito sa atin buti wala ka. Laging baha. Pero okay naman kami. Maraming kasama ko ng Tita Bong, Tita Pining, kami sa taas lahat. Almost 2 weeks na lubog ang ating lugar. Pero okay na. O ikaw ba dyan? O anong balita sa'yo? Okay ka ba? O sige na. Happy belated birthday. Ulitin ko na lamang pagdating mo. O sige na. Bye-bye.
You know that you were always in my mind, in my heart, in my soul, and everywhere that I could think of. You know that I will always be just fine. I'm okay, I'm alright, I am super, and everything that I can think of, but not really. And I'm sorry, 'cause you're not here, lying next to me. So come in and get me, get me, get me. Baby, I'm yours, come in and get me. You'll never be lonely, lonely, lonely. So baby, come in and get me.